Now, at a current prices, if you enter a sell trade and even place your stop loss above from a current daily candle high, your stop loss is 300 pips. Your stop loss is 300 pips and take profit level is also 300 pips, 350 pips. It's a 101 risk and reward ratio. Can you afford a 300 pip stop loss? If you can afford a 300 pip stop loss, go for a sell. But I know this thing that mostly traders can't afford a more than 100 pip stop loss. That's why it's my responsibility to show you a sell setup or for a buy setup. Okay, both setups with a proper risk and reward ratio. So if you have a big account, go for a sell trade right now. If you have a small account, you can't afford a 300 pip stop loss. You can't afford a 200 pip stop loss. Okay, even though prices never go against us, even though in a sell direction prices never go against us, but it's not mean that take a risk. Okay. Okay, so right now, if you can afford a 300 pip stop loss, go for a sell. But if you can't afford a 300 pip stop loss, then just wait for any bullish setup in a H. If you can afford a small stop loss, then just wait for any bullish setup in a H1 time frame or in a M15 time frame. I'm looking for a buy. I'm looking for a buy, but just wait. Yeah, BTC, we are looking for a sell. We are looking for a sell, but just wait for a candle close. Wait for a candle close below from a H4 trend line. Yeah, oil still buy. Oil still buy. If prices go downward, try to enter a buy at a lower prices. Oil go downward, but you can see still above from a H4 support level. Our stop is 67 level. No, gold structure is not bearish. Gold structure is not bearish. Gold is still buy. Okay. There is no bearish structure right now. No candle is closed below from a previous support level. Okay. So just wait. 34 level. Stop loss is 34 and enter a buy only if you can afford a 30 pip stop loss. Take profit level is 50 level again. Yes, I think that gold is going downwards to collect a liquidity. That's why I'm looking for a buy. BTC just wait. BTC just wait. BTC is going downward, and I'm looking for a sell in a H4 time frame if H4 candle is close below from our trend line. So just wait for a 1 hour. After 1 hour, if this H4 candle is close below from this level, then I'm looking for a sell. In a BTC, just wait for H4 candle. Stop loss is 34 level. Stop loss is 34 level. 30 pip stop loss. And if you feel uncomfortable in this buy trade, then close your buy trade right now at entry prices. Very high probability that prices can go against us, but it's our responsibility as a price action trader to enter a buy trade, to take a risk. Buy is very risky. Why? Because we are going against a daily time frame. In a daily time frame, we are looking for a sell, and in a M1 time frame, in a H1 time frame, we are looking for a buy. So buy is little bit risky. Platinum is also buy. Platinum stop loss is 970 level. If you can afford a 300 pip stop loss, target is 2600 level, go for a sell. If you can afford a 300 pip stop loss, go for a sell. Stop loss for this buy trade is 34 level. Don't try to increase your stop loss, okay? Small stop loss recovery, it's very easy. We recently faced a 20 pips loss, and this one is our second trade. And almost prices touch our stop loss. Yeah, gold is bearish. Gold is bearish. But main point is, if you can afford a 300 pip stop loss, go for a sell. Gold is bearish. If you can afford a stop loss, even you can place a stop loss above from 50 level, go for a sell. Like a 200 pip stop loss to 50 pip stop loss. Okay. We already know this thing that if you join our Asian session stream, I'm already looking for a sell and target is 2600 level. In our daily time frame, we find a hanging man candlestick pattern. So according to hanging man candlestick pattern, our direct target is 2600 level. Our first target is already hit according to hanging man candlestick pattern. Now we are waiting for the next target. Target is 2600 level. Okay. If you already in a sell, then stay in a sell. Target is 2600 level. This buy trade is only for those who are not in a sell. Who are not in a sell. It's not for everyone. Okay. This buy trade is only for those who are intra-trade right now. So if a person enter a trade right now, then sell is not favorable. Why? Because risk and reward ratio is not favorable for a sell. Because after this downward move, retracement is pending. Suppose if you enter a sell trade right now and prices go upward 50 pips or 100 pips, so what? You are in a loss. But if a person enter a sell trade in an Asian session, that trader is really in a profit. Okay. I hope you understand this point. Each and like, guys, remember, you can check out other traders teams. Okay, they only share a one setup. They only, even though they never ever explain any move. Okay, they only explain a gold maximum, like a S&P or maybe Bitcoin. But I explain each and every pair. Why? Because right now, suppose if a person wanna enter a trade for a long term, okay, then scalping is not a good idea for that trader. But in other streams, they force you to enter a scalping trade. Even your mindset is for a long term. Okay, I explain each and every move that this pair is not for intraday. This trade is not for intraday. JBP chef is not for intraday, it's long term. USD chef, it's not for intraday, it's long term. Okay, you can trade in this pair for a swing setup. This pair is for long term trade. Natural gas is not for everyone. Why? Because spread is very high. Okay. Platinum is not for everyone because spread is high. Okay. So each and every trader have a different mindset. Each and every trader has a different capital. Okay. Mostly new trader only have $100, only have a $500. Maximum is $1,000. New traders. Okay. Maximum is $1,000. So if a person enter a trade in an oil, if a new person wanna enter a trade in a oil with $1,000 account, and normally brokers allow only one standard lot in a oil or maybe 0.50 lot in a oil, and you wanna follow a oil setup, then you are in a loss. Maybe after 10 pips move, 50 pips move, your account is wash. Okay. So at a starting of a stream, if I show you a trade with a 300 pip stop loss, with a 500 pip stop loss, and you wanna copy that trade and a same trade go in a loss and you have a small account, then account is wash. Okay, that's why whenever I start a, I already explained this trade is for those who can afford a 200 pip stop loss. Only for those who can afford only 20 pip stop loss. Okay, this buy trade, it's not a reversal. It's not mean that with a 20 pip stop loss, with a 20 pip stop loss, prices can touch a all-time high. It's not like that. Okay. If we find a setup in a M1 time frame, so stop loss is also according to M1 and take profit level is also according to M1. If we find a setup in a daily time frame, stop loss is also according to daily time frame and and take profit level is also according to daily time frame. It's not mean that you find a setup in a daily time frame and you enter a trade with a 10 pip stop loss. It's impossible. Like at a starting of a stream, I show you a sell setup in a daily time frame, hanging man candlestick pattern, but we enter a buy in H1 time frame and prices go in our direction almost 50 pips, almost 50 pips. So it's mean even if you enter a sell trade in a gold in a daily time frame, but prices go against you 50 pips first and then go downward. It's mean you can't enter a sell trade in a daily time frame with a 10 pip stop loss, with a 20 pip stop loss, with a 30 pip stop loss. Okay, for a daily time frame setup, your stop loss is also higher. AUD USD buy for long term. See, now you are looking for how many lots can we use in a gold with $100. So it's mean this person is a new person. This person is a new person and he don't know what is a lot size. What is a lot size I can use with $100 account in a gold. So with $100 account, don't do a trading in a gold. Okay, because in case suppose with a small account prices go against you. First of all, new trader never ever accept a loss. Okay, never ever accept a loss. So suppose you enter a buy trade right now with a $100 account with the only maybe with the only 0.01 lot size and prices go against you 20 pips. It's mean $2 loss, $2 loss, and you can afford a $2 loss, but you never ever accept a $2 loss. Maybe you try to increase a lot size. Sorry, maybe you try to increase a stop loss, or maybe you remove your stop loss and prices go downward 400 pips and break a 2600 level. So it's mean with a $100 account, you lost a $40. So gold is not for a you. Gold is not for a small trader account. Gold is not for a $100 account. Okay, lot size doesn't matter with only 0.01 lot size. With a $500 account, 0.01 lot size, but remember, always accept a loss. See, now gold is going upward. Let me try to show you AUD USD. Now you can see AUD USD is going downward in a M5 time frame. Okay, in a M5 time frame. So I say this thing that AUD USD buy. Okay, it will definitely go upward. But suppose if a person have only $100 account, right now AUD USD go downward how many pips? 20 pips, 30 pips. Okay, AUD USD is strong, fundamentally strong. So AUD USD will definitely go upward, but our retracement is still pending. Our retracement is still pending. AUD USD will definitely follow this setup. Why? Because our accumulation or range this level. AUD USD can go upward almost 800 pips. This one is our daily time frame setup. This one is a daily time frame setup. I say this in that AUD USD buy. And if a person only have a maybe $50 account or maybe $100 account and enter a buy with a 0.10 lot size or maybe 0.5 lot size, you already know this thing that you can clearly see this resistance now became a support level. This support retest is still pending. Today we see a AUD, today we see a JBP, CHF support retest, and then prices go upward. So this retest is still pending. Overall, it will go upward, but maybe prices can go downward almost 50 pips and touch a support level, which is our pending level, which is our pending retest, and after go downward 50 pips, 80 pips, and then prices will follow a overall trend. It's mean if a person can only afford a 20 pip stop loss or maybe 50 pip stop loss, then AUD USD buy trade in a daily time frame, it's not for that person. But if you can afford a almost 200 pip stop loss, you can go for a buy trade right now at the current prices. Even prices already move a 100 pips in our favor after breakout of our resistance level. Even prices you always face a loss. Maybe you follow any analysis in a trading view, or maybe your broker send you analysis. Okay, they just draw this thing. They just draw this thing that prices break a trend line, now it will go upward. But they will never ever explain that if a person has a small account, then he should enter a buy trade or not. If a person had a decent account, then he should enter a buy trade or not. Euro USD, Euro USD, if you already in a buy, then stay in a buy. If you're not in a buy, then just wait for a H4 trend line breakout. Sorry, H4 resistance breakout. This one is our inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we are below from a neckline. So if you're already in a buy, stay in a buy. If you're not in a buy, then just wait for a breakout of this resistance level, then you can go for a buy. Bearish confirmation is if H4 candle is close below from a if H4 candle is close below from this level, close below from 45 level. If any H4 candle is close below from a 45 level, and the next candle cross and close below from a previous breakout candle low. And in a H1 setup, you can see prices already break a this higher low. Prices already break a this higher low and close below and close below. Now, if you're looking for a sell in a gold, if you're looking for a sell in a gold, then wait for a next H1 candle cross and close below from a previous breakout candle low. Then you can go for a sell. You can go for impulsive sell. Okay. Now, let me try to explain. Now you can clearly see prices break this higher low or break structure. Okay. Prices break structure. Now there is very high probability that prices can go downward, but it's not confirmed right now. Now we have two situations. Okay. First situation is right now prices already break and close below. Okay. And you are looking for a sell. You are looking for a sell. So enter a sell trade right now. Enter a sell trade right now and place your stop loss above from this resistance level, because now this one is a resistance level. First is it was a support level. Now it's a resistance level. So first of all, calculate a stop loss for a sell, for a new sell. Stop loss is 140 pips. Stop loss is 140 pips. Okay. Now suppose 140 pips with a 0.01 lot size for a small account holder, it's a $14. It's a $14. Okay. So it's a 14% risk on a particular one trade. 14% risk for a one trade. But if a person enter a buy trade with a 20 pip stop loss with a $100 account, it's only 2% risk. It's only 2% risk. Okay. Now, even if you enter a sell trade at a current prices, your stop loss is 140 pips and you want to enter a sell trade right now and you can't afford a 140 pip stop loss, what you can do is just wait. If a current H1 candle or any H1 candle cross and close below from a previous H1 candle low, or even never close, you can also go for an impulsive sell. Then even you can see right now prices is at a 38 level. Even if prices cross a previous breakout candle low, so you can go for a sell and your stop loss is like suppose at a 34 level. At a 34 level, you go for a sell and your stop loss is 50 pips. Now it's all depend on you. You can afford you are looking for a sell with a 150 pip stop loss, or you are looking for a sell with a 50 pip stop loss. For a 50 pip stop loss, wait for a previous candle low breakout, then you can go for a sell. Or with a 150 pip stop loss, if you can afford a 150 pip stop loss, go for a sell trade right now at a current prices. Okay. So it's all depend on you. My responsibility to show you a setups or evidence for a buy, evidence for a sell, act accordingly according to your capital. Yeah, we find inverted hammer candlestick pattern in M5 time frame. Yeah, it's an inverted hammer candlestick pattern. Let's see. Yeah, GJ cell stop loss is 193 and take profit level is 185 or 180 level. Ethereum, just wait. Ethereum still above from a support level in H4 time frame, so you can go for a buy. Ethereum stop loss is 2,400 level and take profit level is 3,000. Ethereum buy still above from H4 support level. Yeah, if you enter a buy at a 37 level, stay in a buy direction. Our stop loss is only 20 pips. Nasdaq, we are looking for a buy. Stop loss is 19,800 level and take profit level is 20,000, 20,500 level. Let's see. Downward with a very slow momentum. H Yeah, H4 candle still open and give us a lower 34 level. Our is at a 34 level. Okay. You can also enter a buy in a silver. Silver stop loss is 30.500 level. You can also enter a buy in a silver. Euro AUD buy, Euro AUD sell. Euro is a weak currency and AUD is fundamentally strong currency. Euro AUD sell. Oil buy. Stop loss is 67 level and take profit level is 71 or 75. Yeah, today there is no major high impact news. Today we have a Fed speak, but it's not a data. Yeah, bullish flag is still valid, but it's not activate right now. Prices never break a upper line of a bullish flag pattern in H1 time frame. Bullish flag is still valid. Bullish flag is still valid, but it's not activate right now. Main point is activation. AUD USD buy for long term. Target is overall 800 pips. So now prices do a range. Stop loss is at 34 level. Prices do a range here. And volume is decreasing. Okay. USD JPY, USD JPY sell. Stop loss is 144 level and take profit level is 135. First take profit level is 140 and second take profit level is 135. So right now you can clearly see first we face a 20 pips loss and now you can clearly see we are in a 30 pips profit. We are in 30 pips profit with a 20 pips stop loss. Okay, we are doing trading here. We are not a gambler. That whenever we see a bullish candle, we enter a buy. Whenever we see a bearish candle, we enter sell. Okay, that's why I explain each and every move. If you're only looking for a buy or sell and you are here for just for a trade or signal purpose, then leave our stream right now. Okay, we are here for education purpose only, and we only enter a trade where our risk is less and our reward is higher. It's not mean that make 50 pips after taking 200 pips risk. Okay, right now you can also go for a sell and prices will definitely go in your direction. Prices will definitely go in your direction. Okay, if you place your stop loss at all time high, maybe at any news time, first first prices can go upward, give you 100 pips loss, but your stop loss is above from all time high. So your stop loss is 400 pips right now at our current prices. But passive will definitely go in your direction, downward, maybe at any news time. And when you already bear a drawdown And when prices go in your direction, almost 50 pips, 30 pips, you will definitely close your sell trade. Okay. We have only two options, buy or sell. Only two options. Intra buy, hold your buy. Intra sell, hold your sell. Maybe after 1 year, maybe after 2 years, prices will definitely give you a profit. But maybe it take time. Okay. Right now you can clearly see here these 70% sellers who are in a loss, they hold a sell trade, okay, or maybe they add more sell trades. These 40% sellers who are in a profit right now, okay, they enter sell at a 60 level, okay, they enter sell at a 60 level or 50 level, 48 level. These sellers in a profit, and these sellers are right now in 200 pips profit. These sellers in a 200 pips profit, but they never ever book a profit. Why? Because they think that they catch a all-time high. Okay, they think that they catch a all-time high, and we enter a sell at a 2660 level. We enter a sell at a 2650 level. Now prices will go downward 1000 pips, 2000 pips, 5000 pips. Even right now, these sellers are 200 pips profit, but they never ever book a profit. And you can clearly see our results. Prices always go upward. These sellers who enter a sell trade when H1 candle is closed, when H1 candle is closed, everyone say that prices break a structure, go for a sell. According to a smart money concept, according to a ICT concept, market break a structure. So go for a sell blindly. Everyone say this thing. But now you can see even prices break and close below. And now you can see if a person enter a sell after break at this level, now this person in a 70 pips loss. We also face a loss. We also face a loss, but we only face a 20 pips loss. We only face a 20 pips loss, and we also enter a buy trade again with a 20 pips stop loss. And right now we are in a 50 pips profit. This one is a difference. Multiple times I say this thing. Don't waste your time to learn a smart money concept. Smart money concept or ICT is nothing. Accuracy is only 50%. And 50% accuracy is a pure gambling. Right now, it's a 50-50% that gold will go upward or gold will go downward because we only have two options, buy or sell. Okay. You can also go for a sell, you can also go for a buy. But this one is a pure gamble. That's why right now, everyone waste a time to learn a smart money concepts or ICT, but they ignore a basic concept of a market, basic price action concept. They ignore a risk and reward ratio. No, gold is not buy. Wait, when gold go upward 1,000 pips, then you think about buy. Right now, if you're looking for a buy at a current prices, it's mean you you believe gold buying after 70 to 80 pips upward move. You don't believe at this level when gold is at a 35 level, 34 level. When our stop loss is only 20 pips. Now our stop loss is 80 pips. Okay. Trust on a price action, trust on a liquidity, trust on a order book, trust on a volume. Okay. And don't try to chase a move. Right now, you're looking for a buy after a 50 pips upward move. Okay. And why you never enter any buy trade? A reason is when I enter a trade at this level, when prices go downward, I enter a buy trade at this level. Okay. And I face a 20 pips loss. After see this thing that I face a 20 pips loss, you lose your confidence in a buy direction. That now prices will go downward 1,000 pips and break a 2600 level. Because you only see this move. You only see this bearish move. And you are expecting a same bearish move again. That's why you never ever take a risk at this level with only 20 pips stop loss. Now, after this upward move, you are ready to take a 80 pips risk for a new buy. Okay. So take a risk, make a reward. When prices stay at an entry price, at that time you should enter a buy trade. You should enter a sell trade. But when prices already move, don't try to chase a move. Now, if you are not in a buy, just wait for a little bit of retracement, then you can go for a buy. Yeah, if you're already in a sell, then stay in a sell. If you're already in a sell from 50 level, from 60 level, then stay in a sell according to a hanging man candlestick pattern in a daily time frame. And target is still 2600 level. This buy is only for those who are not in a sell from a higher prices and who don't follow a hanging man candlestick pattern. But again, it's not been that intra sell trade right now. There is no evidence for sell. Sell is only when prices cross a previous H1 candle low. Target is 50 level. Target is 50 level. Now we are in a almost 70 pips profit. So try to manage your trade. Try to book a 90% profit. Do a break even on trading stop. You can also enter a sell in a JBP JPY, USD JPY, US 30 buy, US 100 buy. Okay. Silver buy. Silver stop loss is 30.500 level and take profit level is 33. Platinum buy. And then oil buy. BTC just wait for H4 candle close. Then we will decide. Natural gas buy, Euro USD buy, JBP USD buy, and USD CHF is also buy. Yeah, if you're in a buy direction, hold your buy trade and take profit level is Take profit level is 50 level, but right now you are in a profit, so also try to manage your trade. Trade management or profit booking is very, very important. 42 level right now. Let's see. Yeah, if you enter a buy at a 36 level, right now you profit almost uh 60 pips, 70 pips. So try to manage your trade, try to book a 90%. BTC just wait. BTC just wait for a 1 hour. Just wait for H4 candle close. I'm looking for a sell. Prices already break a H4 trend line, H4 support level, but close is very, very important. So just wait for a 1 hour. After 1 hour, H4 candle is closed, and then we will decide.